Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off channels on your WeChat app. We're going to turn off this mark or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you said, then you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, then you just click here on message notifications, and you come to our next window here or message notifications window here, then you just come here to you go down, you come here to channels, you click here on this mark or this color, and like you say color it's gone, that's made channels it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off this on your WeChat app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it, but just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.